In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can start generating leads for whatever business you want to promote online. But before I dive into the step-by-step strategy, let's go ahead and roll the intro. Now, also be sure to go to the link under this video and get access to my training revealing how I'm personally generating 70 plus leads a day on total autopilot. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So if you don't understand leads are the lifeblood of your business, you want to understand this concept. You know, I remember some years back, I was going online, I was trying to grow my business, I was trying to promote and make money in sales, but I just was not getting people interested in what I was doing. You know, I was posting my links online, I was going on Instagram and Twitter, and I was just doing all this work. I mean, I was spending hours at the end of the day. I was coming home from my boring, job that I was on my feet all day working as a waiter, and I was trying to figure this out, and I couldn't seem to understand how some people were generating dozens of leads a day, and I could barely even get one person interested after a week of hard work. But it wasn't until I discovered some very simple concepts that I'm going to share with you that everything changed for me. So the first thing you want to understand is leads are everywhere, okay? Every single platform online has potential leads for your business. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, it does not matter. A lot of people ask me, Garrett, what is the best platform to generate leads? Again, it does not matter. All platforms can work, and all platforms have allowed people to generate leads and sales online. What I recommend is you pick a platform that you actually enjoy, that you can actually stick with, and you master that one. Now, once you actually pick a platform, you want to start to build a following. You want to start to gain friends if you're on Facebook. You want to start to build followers on Instagram, followers on Twitter. Because what's going to happen is, as you start to build this following, you can then give calls to action to start to get people interested, and you can start to generate leads. A lead is basically just someone that's raised their hand, so to speak, asking you for more information on your business. So, for example, if we go to Facebook, you can see my profile here, and a lot of people don't realize you can actually generate tons of leads just for free using your Facebook profile. So one thing you can do to start to generate friends, not just random friends, okay? You don't just want to go out there and, try to get a lot of friends, 5,000 friends on your Facebook profile if you want to promote there of just random people. You want to target people, you want to gain friends that are specifically interested in the target market that you're promoting in, right? That are interested in the niche. So for example, let's say you're in the make money online niche. Maybe you sell products that teach people how to make money, how to do affiliate marketing, network marketing. You're in that type of business. Well, one thing you can do is you can go to Facebook. You can just go to this top search bar here, and you can actually type in, make money online. Type in a few words, and then you can filter by groups. And what happens is on Facebook, for example, they have all these different groups. And this one has 163,000 members. So if I go into this group and I go to members, okay, what's going to happen is I'm going to start to see people, okay, that are actually members. Now, the cool thing is, because this is a Make Money Online Facebook group, everyone in here is interested in making money online. So if I'm promoting a product that has to do with making money online, and I go ahead and get these people to add me as a friend, they're going to potentially be very interested in finding out more information about my business. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go through, and I recommend, if you're promoting on Instagram, Facebook, you can follow or you can friend, okay, 20 to 50 people a day. Now, based on the platform, you want to be careful, okay? So I would not just go do 100 people, because you could, like on Facebook, for example, get in Facebook jail. So I would do, anywhere from starting off maybe 10 to 20 people, okay? So you can just literally go through and just add these people, right? So you can start to do this daily, create a routine for yourself. Let's say every morning you go through and do that. And what's going to happen is, if you actually have a good looking profile, okay, so if you can actually, have a decent cover photo, a good profile picture of yourself, okay, you don't want to have a profile picture of some random dog or a flag. like some people, you want to actually put your face, because people buy from people, right? People don't buy from random unnamed sources, random sketchy companies. They buy from people. So you want to actually put a photo of yourself, and then you want to actually start, again, adding people. Now, what's going to happen is if your profile is good, people will start to add you back and accept your friend request, and you will start to build friends. Now, once you start building this list of people that are interested in the topic your product is in, now we can start to work to generate leads. And the way you can do that is you can actually start to post results, okay? Results of the product you're promoting. So for example, this one right here, I was actually promoting a product that teaches people how to make money online. And one thing I did was I took a screenshot of someone getting results, and I went ahead and put that in a photo, and then I just wrote a little bit, and then I gave a call to action. When you want to generate leads online, you want to tell people to either message you, go to the link in your bio. You want to give people calls to action. You want to tell people what to do. And I said, message me privately if you want details. So I shared proof, and then I say, hey, message me if you want details. Now, if you don't have proof, typically you can go to the affiliate sales page if you're doing affiliate marketing, or if you're in another type of business, you can go to the sales page, and ideally they will have testimonials, and you can share those testimonials on your profile, and this will start to pique people's interest and start to get them curious. And then what happens is, people will start commenting. Now you can see right here, okay, if I scroll down, so you can see that, I'm constantly doing this, right? Congratulations, congratulations. People are getting interested. These are leads, okay? Info, right? So all I did was, you can see right here, again, a proof. I did, very simple. Message me privately if you want details, okay? Or sometimes I'll say comment, if you want details. Yeah, like right here, comment 59K below, or message me, and this guy 59K, and all I did was I just sent him a message sending him to my website, right? This is generating leads. So this is just one incredibly simple way you can start to do this. Like I said, it does not matter. You can do the same process on Instagram. You can do the same process on Twitter. You want to start to build a following around a specific topic, whatever niche your product and business is in. And then you want to start to post results. Also value, okay, tips, things like that. Give value to your target market. You don't just want to constantly be pitching. You want to do a ratio of like a couple value posts to every results-based call to action, like pitching type posts. So you're not just constantly pitching. And then you want to tell people to reach out to you or message you for more information. Now, one thing about Facebook and Twitter and things like that, it's a little bit more active marketing. So you do have to show up and do like that. Again, be sure if you want to learn how to generate autopilot leads coming to your website literally while you're sleeping, then be sure to go to the link underneath this video. I really hope you got value. If you did, like this video. Also subscribe to the bell icon. I'm going to be posting way more videos, answering your questions and sharing strategies to build a successful online business. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.